Hi again, students. In this movie, I'm going to show you how to create the outside or the frame, otherwise known as the border. And this is part of the card's decoration, but also a place for you to put the important elements of text. These elements of text help us know about your Pokemon. What is it named? What does it do? What is its strength? And how does it do what it does? These are some of the basic things that you can start with. You can certainly do your own version of this and be unique. So here is where we're going to start making the frame. I'm going to come over into the Shapes tool and begin to draw some rectangles. I'm going to copy some of these rectangles and also do some grouping to help everything stay together as one piece, kind of like snapping together Legos. So I'm going to begin with the rectangle tool. And do I really have it picked? Now I really do. And I'm going to create a few rectangles here. So here's my top rectangle for the top of my card. And right now it's got an outline of black, which I want it to have none. And I'm going to make it a color yellow. And I will use this exact same rectangle on the bottom of the card for the bottom border. So I'm going to click on it and do Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste, and move this one over to the bottom. I do like to use my arrow keys because it's a quick and easy way to move things accurately. Okay, great. Now I'm going to do the side frames. And since I want everything to be the same thickness, I'm actually going to paste another rectangle. Since I've already copied something, the next thing that I paste will be the last thing that I copied. So if you just choose paste again now, you don't really need to copy again. I can paste the last thing, and then I'll use the rotate tool to snap that around and drag it from the top middle handle. And now I have a vertical one. And again, I'm going to select this one, edit, copy, edit, paste. So I just pasted the new thing that I just copied. I have the main elements in place. This is a really good start. So here I'm going to put in some areas to put in my image and my text. I think I'll use this item once again. Edit, copy, edit, paste. Okay, I'm going to make this one go over here and make it a little less tall. Okay, so in the top half of the card, I'm going to have my creature I draw, my Pokemon, my idea of my howl as an illustration. And at the bottom half of the card, I'm going to have the action of how my character does its strength and how it's used. So I'm going to add another part to my Pokemon card now, and this is where I will put the word for the howl that this card represents, or which of the 5 habits of work and learning. And I am going to choose an interesting shape here that will look good for putting on a title. So I'm going to go with this one, the flowchart card is what it's called, and make the area for the text. Now, as it turns out, when I make this shape, no matter which way I drag, it will go from upper left to right corner. But I want this little angle part. I really like that little angle part, and I want it to show better, or actually show in the lower right. So I'm going to flip it over horizontally by dragging it across and just guessing how tall or wide I want it. The rest of this element, and even move it up a little bit with the arrow tools and select it. I think I'll change the color. I can do anything I want because it's my design. And I will put a similar element down here at the bottom. So here I'm going to put a new shape, and this is going to be a rounded rectangle. And I will create it here. And I want it to be no stroke. And this is the fill color. And there it is. Click away, see what I have. I like the way this one's overlapping. I think that one looks good, but I think I might want this one to be behind the other shape. So I'm going to select it. Arrange, order, send to back. That makes sure it goes in the very back. And maybe it wants to be a darker green, so I will click on it again to select it and fill it in there with green. I could make it shorter. Now this is a frame that I can use over and over again, just like this. Can change the sizes of the elements as I need to. And in the next movie, I will show you how to start filling in the image area, the text areas, but before that, I will show you how to put the background in the card. Okay, you guys, I will see you in a few minutes. Thanks for watching.